Dear students, welcome to the online learning. Today we will be learning chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Topic will be estimation. So let us come to our topic, that is estimation. Children, can you guess and find the exact number of people that are visible in the given picture? Yes, some of you may say that there are 100 number of people, or you may have guessed that there are 1000 number of people visible in the given picture. Fine. So similarly, can you find and tell me the number of marble that are present inside the given jar? Okay, some of you may have guessed that there may be 80 number of marbles, or some of you have guessed that there may be 100 number of marbles inside the given jar. Fine. So children, all this guessing, whatever you have told just now, that are close enough values to the exact numbers, but that are not the exact values. Means the guessing whatever you did, that are an approximate values. So let us know what is an estimation. An estimation is an approximation of a value which is close enough to the exact answer, where we find the closest approximation or the best estimate. Clear, children? Now let us come to the rounding off. What is rounding off? Rounding off means to find a round number that is closest to the real answer. Now let us come to the rules of rounding off. This we will learn through the help of one rounding poem. So what does your poem says here? Let us see one by one. So first of all, find your place for which you need to get the rounding off done by placing that digit inside a circle or inside a box. Then look next door digit and mark and underline below that next door digit. Clear? Then if the underlined digit is equals to 5 or greater than 5, we add one more to the circle or boxed digit. Clear? After that, all digit in front stays the same and all digit behind 0 your name. Let us learn this thing by one more way. So what is that? Find your number, look right next door, 4 or less just ignore, 5 or more add 1 more. Look at this picture. Here the rules are shown for the rounding off. So in this given picture you can see that a boy, he is climbing the stair down. Means while climbing down, when he climbs the stair from 4 and less than that, means when he climbs the stair less than 5, we round the number down. Clear? Let us come to the next picture again by looking the next picture which shows the rounding off rule. Here this boy, again he is climbing the stair up. Means while climbing the stairs up, if he climbs the stair that is equals to 5 or greater than 5, we round up the number. Clear, children? This thing we will understand more properly through the help of question. Okay, now let us come to the topic rounding off to nearest tens place. Fine. So this thing we will do through the help of the numbers given on the screen. So let us come to the rounding off to nearest tens place for this number, that is 452. Clear? So how we will round off this thing, we will do through the help of rounding off rules. Clear? So what does your rule says? Let us see that also. So what does your first rule says? Find the place value and circle the digit. So children, what digit is present in the tens place for this given number? Let us find that digit first. Okay, So in the given number 452, what is your tens place digit? It is 5. Okay, so we will circle this 5. Understood? Next rule, move to the right to the circle number and underline that digit. So on moving to the right of the circle digit, we have got a next door digit, that is 2. Clear? Now after that, what is your third rule? If the underlined digits are less than 5, the circle digit stays the same. Clear? So here 2 which we have underlined, that is less than 5. Clear? So our underlined digit, it is less than 5. So there will be no change in the circled digit. Clear this much? And the rounding off for this given number will be, the previous number will be written as it is. Understood? So 4 we will write it as it is. Then the circle digit, it will be also written as 5 only. As such, the underlined digit, it was less than 5. So no change was done to the circle digit. Clear? Then the underlined digit, it will become 0. So what is the rounding off? We have obtained for 452, we got 450 by following the rules. Understood? Now come to the next number, for which we will find the rounding off to nearest tens place. So your number is 678. Clear? Let us find its rounding off. So children, what does our first rule says? We have to circle the digit present in tens place. So digit present in tens place in this given number is 7. We will circle it. Understood? Then we'll move to the next door digit. Clear? After that, after getting a next door digit, we have to underline that particular next door digit. Understood? After that, we have to do the comparison whether this underlined digit is equals to 5 or greater than 5. If it is equals to 5 or greater than 5, we need to add 1 to the circled digit. Clear? So let us see how the rounding off we will get for this given number. As such, the previous digit will remain as it is. So 6 we will write as 6 only. Then when we add 1 to the circle digit, what we will get? 7 plus 1 will give us 8. Clear? Then beside the circle digit towards the right side we have 8. But when we round off this underlined digit, it will be written as 0. Clear? So what is the rounding off we have got for 678? We got 680. Clear? Let us come to the next number. Again, we need to round off to the nearest tens place for the number given as 35. So now, what is the digit present in tens place? What is that digit present in tens place? It is 3. Let us circle that. Now, let us move to the right side of this circle digit to find the next door digit. Okay. After moving, we have got a next door digit as 5. That we will underline. Fine. Now again, we have to see whether this underlined digit, it is equals to 5, greater than 5 or less than 5. So if it is equals to 5 or greater than 5, we have to add 1 to the circle digit. So when we add 1 to the circle digit, what we will get? 3 plus 1 will give us how much? It will give us 4. Clear? And the underlined digit, it will become 0 as per the rule. Clear, children? Now let us come to the rounding off to nearest hundreds. So see this rounding off rule, what it says. First of all, we will again find the place value and will circle the particular digit for whichever we have to find the rounding off. Then later on we will move to the right of the circled digit and will underline that next door digit. After that we'll again see that whether that underlined digit it is less than 5, then the circled digit that will stay the same. Otherwise, if the underlined digit is equals to 5 or greater than 5, then we add 1 to the circled digit. Clear this much? And the rest of the digit that are present beside the circle digit becomes 0 0, whereas the previous digit that are present before the circle digit that remains as it is. Clear? Let us understand this thing through the help of rounding off by rounding this given number to the nearest hundreds place. Clear? So what is your number given? It is 302. We will find the hundreds place digit for this given number. So what is that digit present in hundreds place? It is 3. We will have to circle that first. Understood? Now move to the next door digit. So that we have got as 0. Fine, children. Now you can see that this next door digit it is less than 5. So what we have to do, there will be no change in the circle digit. So what will be our rounding off? 3 will be written as 3 only. Then our other digit that are present towards the right side of your circle digit will be written as 0 and 0. Means what is the rounding off we have got? For 302 we have got 300. Clear this much? Now come to the next number, that is 583. So when we are rounding off this 583 digit present in hundreds place, it is 5. Clear? That we have circled. Now move to the next door digit, that is 8. Okay. So after finding the next door digit, we have to again see whether this underlined digit it is equals to 5 or greater than 5. If it is so, then we have to add 1 to the circle digit. Clear this much? So when we add 1 to the circle digit, what will be the rounding off? We will get 5 plus 1. By doing so, we will get 6. Clear this much? And the rest of the digit that are present beside the circle digit will become 0. So what does this 8 becomes? It will become 0. 3 will also become 0. Fine. Come to the next number, 953. Clear? Again find the digit present in hundreds place. It is 9. Let us circle that. Then move to the next door digit. Then after finding, put a underline. After placing an underline, we can see that again this digit it is equals to 5. That means this digit which is underlined it is equals to 5. So we have to add 1 to the circle digit. Clear? So what will be the rounding off for this given number? When we add 1 to the 9, that means with the circle digit when we add 1 we have got 10. 9 plus 1 it has given us 10. Now the rest of the digit as per our rule that will become 0. So this 5 it will become 0 which is underlined, and the other digit also that will become 0. Clear? So what is the rounding off we have got for 953 to nearest hundreds? we have got 1000. Clear children? Come to the next number, 8421. Now find the digit present in hundreds place. So that is what? You can see the digit present in hundreds place is 4. Let us place a circle for this digit. After placing a circle, we have to move to the next door digit. Then while moving, we got a next door digit as 2. Now after making an underline below this next door digit, we have to see that whether this underlined digit it is less than 5 or equals to 5 or greater than 5. So if this underlined digit it is less than 5, we don't have to do any changes in the circle digit. Clear? So you can see the underlined digit it is less than 5 here. So we will get the rounding off as like the previous digit it will be written as it is. Then as such the underlined digit it was less than 5, so there will be no change in the circle digit also. So the circle digit that will be also written as it is only. Then later on the other digit which are present towards the right side of your circle digit will be written as 0. So this 2 which was underlined it is written as like 0 only, and this 1 also will be written as 0 only. So what is our rounding off? We have obtained for this 8421. For this we have obtained 8400. Clear this much? Now let us come to the rounding off to nearest thousands place. So here also we will follow the same rule, but this time we will place a circle for the thousands place digit. Clear children? So let us come to the number. The given number is 3125. So here the digit present in the thousands place is 3. Let us place a circle. Clear? After placing a circle, move to the right to find the next door digit. We have got a next door digit as 1. Now you can see that this next door digit it is less than 5. So there will be no change in the circle digit. So your rounding off will be as like the circle digit it will be written as it is, and rest of the digit present towards the right side of your circle digit will be written as 0. Clear? So here 1 will become 0, 2 will also become 0, and 5 also will become 0. Clear? So what is our rounding off? We have obtained for 3125. We have got 3000. Clear? Now come to the next number. It is 5998. Find the digit which is present in the thousands place. So it is 5. Understood? Place a circle for this digit. After that move to the next door digit and find it out. So the next door digit is 9. Again we can see that this underlined digit it is equals to or a greater than 5. Okay, so this underlined digit it is greater than 5. So in this case children, when the underlined digit if it is equals to or greater than 5, we need to see whether this underlined digit is equals to 5 or greater than 5. In that case we need to add 1 to the circled digit. So what will be our rounding off? When we add 1 with 5, we will get 6. Understood? And rest of the digit as per the rule, it will become 0. So 9 will become 0. Again the next 9 will become 0, and this 8 will also become 0. So what is our rounding off we have obtained for this 5998? We have obtained 6000. Clear? Come to the next number again, that is 9769. Fine. Now you find out the thousands place digit over here. So what is that digit? It is 9. Place a circle. After placing a circle, find the next door digit. So while finding, we have got a next door digit as 7. Place a underline. After placing an underline, you have to see that this underlined digit, it is equals to 5 or greater than 5. If it is so, we have to add 1 to the circle digit. Understood? Now see the rounding off. When we add 1 to the 9, we will get 10. Clear? After that, the rest of the digit as per the rule, it will become 0. So this underlined digit 7 will become 0. Then next digit 6 will also become 0. Later on, the next digit 9 will also become 0. So what is the rounding off we have obtained for 9769? We got 10,000. Clear? Come to the next number again, children. The number is 25,320. So find out the digit that is present in the thousands place. So you can see here we have a digit 5 present for the thousands place. After that, move to the next door digit. While moving, we have got a next door digit as 3. Mark it, that next door digit, by placing an underline. Understood? Now again we will see that whether this underlined digit, it is less than 5 or what. If it is less than 5, if this underlined digit is less than 5, what we do? There will be no change in the circle digit, and rest of the digit will be written. The rest of the digit will be written as it is. Understood? That are present before the circle digit. So you can see here 2, it has been written as it is, whereas the circle digit also, it is written as it is, and the rest of the digit will become 0. So 3, it became 0. 2 also became 0, and the 0 also will be written as 0. Understood? So what we have got? We have got 25,000. While rounding off this 25,320 up to thousands place, we have got what? The answer as 25,000 only. Clear this much? Now come to the rounding of numbers rule. Here we will recapitulate the rule, whatever the rules we have learned for rounding off the numbers. Clear, children? So first of all, what was our rule? First, we circle the digit for whichever place we wish to get the rounding off done. Then we look to the next door digit and we find that next door digit, and after finding, we place an underline below the next door digit. Then if that underlined digit is equals to 5 or greater than 5, we round up the number, that is by adding 1 to the circle digit. Clear? Similarly, if the underlined digit are less than 5, then the circle digit remains unchanged and rest of the digit becomes 0 that are present towards the right side of your circle digit, and the previous digit that are present before the circle digit remain as it is. So here we round the number down. Understood? Now let us see how to remember this rounding off rules. This rule we can remember by the help of one simple limerick. Clear, children? Look at this picture. Here, two boys, they are playing on a seesaw. If the score comes 1 to 4, go down to the floor. If the score comes 5 or more, raise the score. So children, what does this figure says? While playing, if the score comes 1 to 4, we round down the number, whereas while playing, if they get the number, the underlined number as 5 to 9, we round up the number. Clear? So children, I hope whatever you have learned today, you have understood properly. You need to note down everything properly in your notebook. Thank you.